So I'm driving along this road here at Forest Park. I'm looking out the window to my right, and I see a wood duck over here laying in the mulch pile, just chilling. They're hidden in this bush right here in front of us. This is the closest I've ever been to a wood duck, so it's pretty exciting for me. But I'm hoping they go around this way, and there's an opening over there. It would be absolutely perfect photograph. Hopefully they head this way. Guys, I just got it. Look at this. I got the photo. Oh my